guys, it's Anna from BlackboxMyCar. Welcome back to our monthly dashcam compilation. We've gathered some of our most jaw-dropping, hilarious, and heart-pounding moments captured on dashcams from all over. Find these videos by visiting our YouTube Shorts and Instagram channels. If you got some epic clips to share, be sure to do so in the link below and get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. We want to hear from you. Tell us how we're doing in our 2-minute survey and you'll be entered in to win a monthly BlackboxMyCar prize package worth over $125 US. Don't miss your chance to win. Click on the link in the description below. Roll the clip. Up next, we created a special section for those who submitted their dashcam footages to our latest ThinkWare Q200 giveaway. Thanks for everyone who participated. We got great clips this time and they each deserve a spotlight. Make sure to enter our monthly prize draw found in the description below for our next giveaway. Thanks for joining me on this special drive. But hey, the excitement doesn't end here. You're still on time to win a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you're ready to take road safety to the next level, check out our BlackboxMyCar exclusives. We have new car accessories for endless possibilities on the road, as well as the BBMC Smart Drive 10 inches wireless display to revolutionize your car system. Just use code BB15 for 15% off today on all BlackboxMyCar exclusives. Find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. Until next time, drive smart and stay vigilant. Safe travels.